Greetings, welcome back to Randomtronic. My name is Chris and today I will be going with more things waiting to be dealt with. A few weeks ago I shot a mailbag video for the first time and I've received a lot of positive comments from viewers saying they want to see more of that. Since so many people liked it, I've decided to repeat this exercise and do another mailbag video. I've been saving all the mail that comes in and refraining from opening it, and now I've got a whole bunch of packages that we can open together. Let's start maybe with this. So when this came in, I've started opening it, and as you can see I've made a little hole, so I know what it is, but I've decided not to pursue, and since then I haven't opened any packages. This is the oldest package in the bunch. Emergency stop switch. Shinsal BX11. Okay, it comes in two pieces. So we've got a bag of self-tapping screws, a bottom box with a rubber seal on one side, and the switch itself. The way those switches work is in a reset position. They're always ready and you can just blindly hit it, and that shorts out the contacts somewhere here. We can have a look later on when we install this, and to reset it, it requires turning action. And this is going to go on the CNC machine. It's a little bit of an overkill size-wise for the little CNC that I've got over here, but I've always wanted something with a big emergency stop button, and this is an opportunity to have it. Next one, and now they're going in no particular order. Right, okay, so this is from eBay. Those are little micro USB plugs, so male micro USB, because I want to do my own USB cables, simply because I cannot stand poor charging performance on some of the USB cables that I've got, so I've decided to make my own ones. I'm keen on testing out how they perform under large currents. Another one. Oh, those are tweezers. It's a set of tweezers. Again, this stuff came from eBay. I've got more of those somewhere in some of the packages, but as you can see, those are not very sharp and so on. I've got a set somewhere in the attic still in one of the boxes, but yeah, the ones I have are a lot better than this. This seems not very sharp at all. Flimsy. There is another kind that looks just like it on the pictures, but it's much better. They're proper stainless steel and have very pointy ends, but those are not the ones. More tweezers, value 1 GBP. So let's see what kind of tweezers are those. Very roughly cut, rubbish tweezers again. I guess with this cheap stuff you kinda never know what you're buying. This is, yeah, look. Yeah, that's not very good at all. That was a waste of £1. I mean, how are you supposed to hold something with something that bends so easily? Disappointment so far. I was kind of curious what those cheap tweezers look like really, and yeah, they are not worth the postage that they've been sent with. And here is the next package, and this is plastic wrap that you may recognize. This is the same type of cable tidy that was supplied with the CNC. And I bought this because I need to put some limit switches on the CNC. I wanted to have the cables all nice and neat, so this will help with that. Here is another one. This one's squishy. What is this? Oh, more of the USB stuff. USB connectors for making my own cables. And those are complete plugs that again you can solder in yourself. And we've got a set of black ones with silver plugs, a set of white one with silver plugs, and a set of black ones with gold plugs. I'm not sure if this is gold plated, but certainly is yellowish. Next, I fear this might be more tweezers. Oops. And it is more tweezers. They did look completely different. I need to check the listings I bought it from, because it looked completely different in both cases. So that's why I bought them. Well, wouldn't buy two sets of the same stuff. Not sure what's going on there. And next, we are doing this in super speed. Something rattly. Oh, that's more USB stuff. So those are different type of USB plugs. I've got white ones and black ones. And this is a slightly different style of a plug, where you've got the little sleeve that you need to put the cable through this and then through the plastic, and then this will kind of clip inside somewhere, I guess. Oh, there's the front of it. There's also another piece, so that will go over the plug. So yeah, this and the same in black. I've often found out that this is the part that fails. So the actual male part of the mini USB on the cable fails most often and prevents good contact, and your device is not charging. As soon as you get a new cable, it works just fine. And the next, oh, that's more USB plugs, a slightly different style. This is rather a nice plug. Casing should fit nicely over. I've got two of the same, so I guess, yeah, there you go. One is with the holes, so this should go in like so, and it's got little retaining pins for the metal part, and then we can solder in the wires and push this over, even apply some glue if we wanted to. But yeah, the only thing is there is no strain relief over here. This looks like a strain relief, but it's plastic, it's hard plastic, so yes, something will need to be made over there to prevent the cable from breaking too quickly. Next, and please, no more plugs. It is more plugs. I bought those because the listing looked different, but those look very much like the ones I've just opened a moment ago. Those are no more plugs because those are micro switch with roller. Here are micro switches that I've bought to serve as limit switches for the CNC. Two connections, one normally open, one normally closed, and this is the common. That will come soon, so that video is coming up. Okay, this has got electronic tweezer again, but it's a substantially bigger package, so let's see. And those look a lot better. Let's have a look. And OMG, look at this difference. Ooh, this is so sharp, it pierces my skin. This is a really good set of tweezers, and it only costs like £1 or £1.50 or so. Let's open the other one, and I'll zoom in a little bit. Check this out. So this is a really good set of tweezers, and it's thick on this part where it matters. But the point is just, look, you see, it just cut my skin. Those are. This is a really good set of tweezers. Look at this. It's got nice brushed aluminium or brushed metal effect all the way over. Some holes for, I guess, design. I don't think they've got a functional purpose, the little holes. And same with those here. This is a really nice set of tweezers. Compared to this junk, even if I pick the pointy ones, I mean, it's not the same category device. And look what happens when you squeeze the two. So this one, again, yeah, this, it's already a decent amount of force to squeeze them in, and this one is, yeah, it's already flat. So, and I'm not even pressing just as hard as on here, and they still provide the springiness to be able to hold something. And here is the last 13th package, and the last one today, and the biggest one as well. And this is a crimp tool and a set of JST connectors. I wonder what type of crimp is it? Is it the ratcheting type, or? Oh yes, it is. So it will only release once you apply the desired force. So you can't mess it up. Once you begin the crimping process, it stays up until you. And a set of JST connectors of various sizes, both male and female. And this will probably last me ages for, you know, little projects that I'm doing, little hobby ones. This is not a big deal. As you can see, there are two kind of levels in here, and one that goes a little bit deeper. This is the end towards the cable, not towards the end of the connector. And what you're meant to do is put it in like so and begin the crimping. So when it goes like this, it's held in place. The bottom of this well in here is shaped like a letter M, so this will cause the two little tabs to curl in and bite into the cable that you insert into this. This will come handy in many projects. So there we go, that's it. A whole lot of USB stuff, a whole lot of tweezers, and a few other bits. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a comment below the video of what you thought of various items, if you have anything to say. I in particular really like those tweezers. I think those are brilliant. Also subscribe and hit the little bell button if you want to receive notifications, otherwise you won't know when I upload another video. Otherwise, thank you very much for staying with me for a few minutes or however long this video is going to take after the edit. For today that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and for the time being, take care.